How to change app icons on Android. Now, if you also want to change app icons like I did in my phone, you just simply need to go in your home screen, and in there just simply tap into your screen for a while until you see this option. Now from here, select this option of themes, and after selecting themes, it will open this themes application in here. Despite any of the phones that you are using, you can do this, and after this you will directly get this option of icons. Tap to icons, and after going into the icon section, you can buy the icon or you will get free icons too in order to change your app icons. Now just simply select the app icons which you would like to use. For example, let's try this app icon, and after tapping in there, simply tap to download. Then the icons will be downloaded, and tap to apply, and it will apply the app icon to your phone. This way you can very easily change the app icons in Android. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.